Hey guys, I'm Jalisia. Welcome back to my channel where I talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and handbags. So in today's video, this is going to be a fun one. I have an unboxing, and this purchase was a little impulsive, but for very, very, very good reason. And I'm very excited to show you guys. So let's get it opened. So I'm actually, I just got this package probably like an hour ago, and I was waiting for it. It was actually supposed to come a couple days ago and it got delayed. So I was definitely waiting like New York in that meme. So this is the box. So it is a mini bag, but I feel like it's very tiny but mighty. And this is actually the first bag, I guess, of its kind that I'm getting, because this is like a very mini bag. I also ordered this off of Farfetch, so the packaging isn't like beautiful and gorgeous, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, this is so cool. So I got this Paco Rabanne. This is the 1964, is it the disco? Oh my gosh, hold on. Okay, so this is the Nano 1969 bag. I love this bag so much. So at first, it was actually another bag that I had seen that was on sale at Farfetch. I'll put it right here, and I just thought that it was so different. I thought that it was really fun, and it was pink. And then I did some more digging, and I found this one, and I had looked it up to see how it looks on TikTok. And then I found this girl, and she showed that you can put like charms. You can put like gem charms on this bag, and just to make it look like even more gorgeous. Like, it's already so gorgeous. Oh my god, this feels so good. Like, I am in love. Like, okay, so let me just give you the details for I'm in love. Okay, yeah, so the full price on Farfetch was for $990, but they were doing like 60% off, and I got this for $450. Like, this is such a gorgeous nighttime bag. I mean, it will not be able to fit much. I think I've seen some people try to fit their phone in here. Let's see. I'm gonna take off my case and see. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's see if it can go in there. Maybe I'm just not trying hard enough, but yeah. I'm not trying to force it too hard. So, you can wear it like this, or you can also wear it crossbody. And so I am 5'4". So this is where it'll hit. Super cute. And then when I get those charms and I add those charms, like, love it. And yeah, so this is my first handbag purchase of the year. Okay, so let me tell you why I got this bag. So lately, I've been very much focused on having neutral bag colors. So bags that are on my list are usually black, or they're brown, or some kind of neutral. Okay, so I usually like to get a lot of bang for my buck when it comes onto my bag. So if I am buying an expensive bag, I do like to make sure that it's going to match with multiple things. And so I don't know if it's just because like it's been sunny and I'm just like, I just really just want something fun. Like I want a fun bag, and I feel like right now there is a lot of talk just about quiet luxury and stealth wealth, and I really am a responsible shopper when it comes onto bags. I like to make sure that it will match with multiple things. But I don't know, for some reason I was just like, I want something that's not clean. Okay, I want something not dirty, but I want something like fun. I want something young and fun and like party, and just like just a fun, like different bag that you usually don't see. So that's what really drew me to the first Paco Rabanne bag. And so I don't know, I just feel like, and I don't know if it's just because I'm not in the city and I'm not seeing all the different styles like anymore in my face, so maybe everyone is still dressing fun. But as far as just like social media, it's just fashion haven't been giving fun anymore. Fashion has been giving aesthetics. It has not really been giving fun. And I guess it's because it's what you are constantly seeing, like clean aesthetic, neutrals. And I'm still gonna wear those things because I feel like those things are perfect like for every day and day to day, and just having a capsule wardrobe that you don't have to think about, and having clothes and pieces that you can have for a long time. But it's just like, where is the fun? Like, where is the fun? Like, fashion is fun. Fashion needs to be made fun again. But I just feel like it just hasn't, it's just been so aesthetic nowadays. And I'm kind of getting tired. I'm getting tired of looking at the same thing. So when I found this, I just was like, this is perfect. And then also you're able to add charms on it, so you're kind of like personalizing it too. And I do also plan on getting the silver one in the bigger size. So this one is the mini nano 1969, so I plan on getting the regular 1969 in the normal size, and really personalizing that up to with charms and everything and the whole bit. I'm gonna get some charms for this one as well. I already know which ones I'm gonna get, so I'm gonna show you guys that in another video. But yeah, man, I just feel like things just has not been as fun, and I completely get it because, you know, like, it can happen. I feel like when you constantly just like see something over and over again, you can kind of, I guess, like conform a little bit. But eventually I feel like you are gonna have to go back, not to your style, because I feel like fashion and what you wear, it's expressive. Like, it's constantly moving, it's constantly changing. Like, so one day I can wear a completely neutral outfit, and then the next day I just want to go grunge, like, and just wear all black, or look edgy, and then the next day after that, you know, like I want to look chic, and then the next day after that, I want to wear like a long dress and look super feminine. Like, it's, your style is always gonna change, but I do feel like right now you just don't really see super different outfits online unless they live in a big city. But yeah, I don't know, but that's just my little take on it. You know, buy your bright colored bags, buy your sequin bags, buy your different bags, buy your bags that it's like, okay, this isn't an everyday bag, and that's fine. And then too, guys, you know who I think is doing this whole fun bag thing so great? The new creative director of Gucci. His spring 24 collection was so chef's kiss, and I'm actually going to be doing a video on that. But I feel like he really just embraced classic but still fun. And I love that twist, and I feel like it's something that we really, really need right now. And this to me is definitely classic and still fun at the same time. So look out for that video. But yeah, guys, this is just a super fun bag, and I definitely know that it's going to be a classic, and I definitely know that I'm going to get so much wear out of this bag. And then I do want to add just real quick that when you are buying a fun bag, try to already know how you're going to match this with your fun clothing. So for me, I love to wear pink. So pink is my like fun color nighttime going out outfits, or I'll wear black, or I'll wear green. I'm not like, I didn't just buy this bag and then now I have to find outfits to go with it. This bag is already going to fit into my lifestyle, and it's already going to fit in my closet. So when I do say to go out and buy that fun bag, like, you absolutely can, but you do kind of want to still be smart about it and make sure that it is going to match your particular style. And this is just something fun, but it's still in the scheme of your style, and it'll match things that you have. When you buy bags, you have to make sure that it's a puzzle that already fits into your wardrobe, and you're not buying something and then building around it, because then that's just kind of, that's more money and you're working backwards. So when you're having fun, you still do have to do it in a smart way. Make sure that it can match things that is already in your closet, or if you do have to add something, you know, just make sure that it's not going to be super hard. And I also hope that maybe this inspires you to buy something fun and, you know, not neutral. But don't get me wrong, the next bag that I am going to get will be a neutral. It's going to either be a white bag, a tan bag, or a black bag. So I'm still going to buy my neutral bags. But, you know, it's okay to mix it up a bit. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this, because I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed, obviously. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.